These date and nut cookies are my absolute favorite, especially this time of year. They also happen to be one of the most popular cookie recipes on my blog. So let me show you how simple they are to make. You are going to start off by adding 1 stick of unsalted room temperature butter, along with a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of white sugar, and then an egg with some vanilla. You're gonna mix that all together before going ahead and adding your dry ingredients, which is going to be flour and then some baking soda and cinnamon. This is what it should look like once it comes together. Now go ahead and add your chopped dates. This is the size that we are aiming for, so you get a nice piece of date in each bite. Mix that into the batter before going ahead and adding your nuts. Now I'm using both pecan and walnuts, but feel free to use either or. Whatever you prefer will work great in this recipe. Mix that all together and now your cookie dough is ready to be scooped and formed right into a parchment-lined baking pan. Then chilled for about 10 minutes before baking in the oven for about 15 minutes. And look how beautiful they look. They have that nice little crackle on top and a beautiful golden brown bottom and those dates and nuts just peeking through. It really invites you to enjoy this cookie. It is a must try.